Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make simple sauce. To begin, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and your tools ready. This preparation, called mise en place, is crucial for successful cooking. We will focus on creating a foundational sauce that can be adapted for many dishes. Understanding these basic steps will empower you to craft delicious sauces with confidence, enhancing your culinary skills significantly. For our simple sauce, we start with 2 tablespoons of butter or oil, which provides a rich base. Next, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour is whisked in to create a roux, the thickening foundation. Finally, 2 cups of liquid like milk or vegetable broth are gradually added. These 3 components are the backbone of many classic sauces, offering a neutral canvas for various flavor profiles. First, melt your 2 tablespoons of butter or heat oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Then, whisk in 1/4 cup of flour, cooking it for about 1 to 2 minutes to form a roux. This step removes the raw flour taste. Next, slowly pour in your 2 cups of liquid, whisking continuously to avoid any lumps. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer, stirring until it thickens beautifully. To elevate your sauce, remember to season it well with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Consider adding a pinch of nutmeg or dried herbs like thyme for extra depth. For a delicious cheese sauce, simply stir in about 1 cup of shredded cheese until melted after the sauce has thickened. Leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, ready for your next meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.